Okay, guys. Practice, guided practice 2. So let's try this one. Right? So it's the same thing. So we got factored form. Right? We got factored form. And tell me, the graph opens up or down? Look at your sign over here. It's nothing, right? Nothing there. So graph is opens up because that's positive, right? Because A is 1, which is positive, right? And x-intercepts. So this is factored form or x-intercept form. So you can get your x-intercept like directly. What do we do? Change the sign. You have plus 1 here. So your x-intercept is -1, 0, right? And you got plus 5 here. So your x-intercept is -5. Like this. So you get your x-intercepts. And what is your, how do we get our y-intercept? We put 0 into x, right? We put 0 into x. So let's put 0 into x. Then 1 times by 5. So my y-intercept is 5. And we need to get axis of symmetry, right? Told you axis of symmetry will be in the middle, right? In the middle. So I'm using my x-intercepts. -1 plus -5 over 2. Because this is like negative value, so I'm going to put the parentheses for that. Okay? Then what's -1 plus -5? -6 over 2. Right? So -6 over 2. That is -3. So this is my y-intercept. Okay. Oh, no. I mean, axis of symmetry. I'm sorry. That's my axis of symmetry. And I want to get my vertex. Then what? You put that one for your axis of symmetry. And you put -3 into the equation. Right? So let's put -3 over here. -3 plus 1. -3 plus 5. Then you get -2 times, this is +2. So -4. Right? So my y-coordinate of the vertex will be -4. Right? And my maximum, minimum. Do I get maximum or minimum? I get minimum because graph opens up. Right? So I get minimum. And my minimum value, -4. Right? My minimum value is -4. And domain, all real number. And the range, it looks like that. And my minimum's -4. So all the values above -4. So y is greater than or equal to -4. Okay? And let's graph. So my x-intercepts, -1 and -5. These are my x-intercepts. My y-intercept, that's 5. And my axis of symmetry, that's -3. And my vertex is -3, -4. So right here, right? And let's plot one more point because that's symmetric. So we can graph it like that. Okay, it looks like V shape, but actually it's not. That's supposed to be curved here. Okay, get it, guys? It's kind of complicated, but important thing is you can, because that's factored form or x-intercept form, right? So intercept, you can get intercept directly. You're not doing anything, just change the sign. All right, change the sign, then you will get your x-intercepts, get the midpoint. So you need to get your x-intercept for, you're not using 1 and 5. You're using -1 and -5. All right, combine these two numbers, add it, and divide it by 2. Okay, then you will get your axis of symmetry, which is your x-coordinate of the vertex. So you put -3 here, and you put it back, to here, then you will get your y value. Then that is your vertex. Okay? So, like if you remember what we did on the vertex form and the standard form, then you will get this one easily. Okay? Yeah, before we start guided practice 3, I'm gonna talk about our lesson quiz. So guys, just like you, I just stayed home, not moving a lot and just eat a lot. So I gained about 4 to 5 pounds during this quarantine. So I started workout from Tuesday, 2 days ago. So like I did workout for 2 days. I started from Tuesday, right? And I hope to do it for a month. So I will let you know. It's like every day I am successfully doing workout or not. All right? So our lesson quiz will be, when did Ms. Hong start workout? Answers, Tuesday. Okay? So please choose the right answer. And let's look at this one, guys. The last one. So tell me, is that opens up or down? That's opens up. But let's make it down because we didn't practice opens down. So let's make negative sign over here. Okay? So you need to fix your work. Alright, let's put negative for that. It looks ugly. So it's negative. So I put the negative. You don't have negative on your paper, but I just changed the question. Alright? So opens down because my A is -1, which is less than 0. And my x-intercepts, what do we do? Change the sign. It has -6 over here, so 6, 0. And it has +2, so -2, 0. Okay, you can just get it. We just change the sign. And the y-intercept, we put 0 into x. Put 0 into x. Alright, then you can get your y-intercept. So put 0 into x, then you need to keep this negative sign, guys. So negative 0 minus 6, 0 plus 2. Like that. And that is negative, -6, +2. Negative, negative, turn to positive. 6 times by 2, 12. Right? So my y-intercept is 12. And axis of symmetry, I will do it here. Axis of symmetry, we find midpoint, right? Axis of symmetry will be midpoint of x-intercepts. So it's 2 and -2, right? So 6 and -2. So 6 plus -2 over 2. Right? 6 plus -2 over 2. So 6 plus -2, that's 4 over 2, which is 2. So my vertex axis of symmetry is x equals 2. So this is my axis of symmetry, and at the same time that is my x-coordinate of the vertex, right? And to get the y-coordinate of the vertex, we put 2 into the original equation. So let's get it. Then -2 minus 6, 2 plus 2. Then you get -2 minus 6, that's -4. 2 plus 2, +4. Negative, negative, turn to positive. 4 times by 4, 16. Right? So it's 216. That's my vertex. And my, so now it's opened down, right? So we get maximum. We get maximum, and my maximum value is 16. This is my maximum. And your domain, all real number, right? And the range. So I have maximum over here, that's 16. and all the values are less than 16, right? So y is less than or equal to 16. Okay, and now let's sketch. So my x-intercepts 6 and -2, right? And my y-intercepts, that's 12. Oh, that's 8, 9, 10, 11, like probably here 12. So this is my y-intercept, and it's up to 16, right? So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So let's make this is my 16, right? And then axis of symmetry, that is 2. So here, right here, that's my vertex, right? That is my vertex. And when it is 4, then that's supposed to be 12 because it's symmetric, right? Let's sketch. And oops. Let's go backward. Oh my god, it's ugly. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so guys, please do the lesson quiz and have great weekend until Monday, and I will see you on Tuesday. Thank you for watching the video. Love you, miss you, bye bye.